Hi, my name is Elliot Darko. I'm the owner and founder of Christian clothing brand Baker Apparel. And one way we aim to save energy is by using motion-censored lighting in our storage and warehouse units to ensure that energy isn't unnecessarily being used when our space isn't being occupied.
Hey, I'm Gary from Go Succeed in Brighton. My small business sustainability tip is to get an electric vehicle, because not only are you helping the environment, you're also saving money on your tax.
Hi guys, my name is Maya and I'm the owner of Maya Makes Bakery. To ensure that I save energy, I bake in larger batches, meaning that I'm not constantly preheating my oven, ultimately saving more energy.
Hi, my name's Garen Fletcher. I own Storm Dental Laboratory. My top 2 energy tips are: we use high temperature sintering furnaces, but because of the high temperatures that we get up to, we utilise a lower overnight tariff to keep the cost down. Another tip that we use is we thermally insulated our building so that we don't need as much energy to heat the unit in the winter.
Hello, my name is Charlotte Cunningham. I'm the Artistic Director of Turtle Key Arts. We are a performing arts charity based in West London. And our energy saving tip for today is that we repurpose as many things as we can in terms of our costumes, our props and our sets.
Hi, my name's Joe Joey and I'm the owner of Aspen Homes. We run a bespoke development company based in Guildford. When looking at top tips for creating sustainability in our homes, what we look at is creating enhanced insulation throughout the fabric of the building. But on top of that, we look to use solar panels and air source heat pumps. That would be our top tip.
Hi, my name's John. I am from the Trail Collective. I run a mountain bike guiding service. I think my top tip for energy, because I run e-bikes, is to ensure that you have an overnight tariff and that you charge the e-bikes over the night, because it will be a lot cheaper.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Kay from Connect to Brighton, and these are my 3 top energy saving tips. So number 1, turn things off at the plug before you go to bed or before you go on holiday. Do a quick sweep of the house. Second is not to charge your devices overnight. You might harm the battery and unnecessary use of energy. And the third one, super simple, is just remember to close the doors when you've got your heating on to make sure that you keep all of that gorgeous heat indoors.
Hi, my name's Nick Bellamy from Heliotech Energy, and our top energy efficiency tip for businesses is to understand when and where you're consuming your energy in line with your operational schedule. This allows you to ensure that you're being billed the right amount, but most importantly, identify any energy wastage that you have within your business through human error, automation and scheduling, or faulty infrastructure. We can carry this all out completely free of charge at Heliotech.